Unit 13, Part 7, let's do some exercises. Right, we're going to do 2, B and D, and then 4B from the exercises from Unit 13. Not everyone who ate rice got sick. Notice these exercises, they give you a dictionary. They tell you what propositional functions summarize the various predicates. Okay, so that makes it easier. Not everyone who ate rice got sick. Here's where my advice comes in, that what you should do here is, what do you do with this not? What's it negating? It's negating the whole sentence. Right? So just forget about the not. Translate everyone who ate rice got sick. Lay out the logical form of that, symbolize that, and then just put a tilde at the beginning. Right? You negate the whole thing. So everyone who ate rice got sick. Right? It's a universal inclusion. Everyone, clearly the universal quantifier. I'm forgetting about the not and pretending it's not there. Everyone who ate rice got sick, right? That's my verb, so that's going to tell me where I distinguish the subject and predicate. All of the people in the subject class are included in the predicate class. It's universal inclusion, right? Everyone who ate rice got sick is what I'm doing. You look at Unit 2, the translations. The subject is what? People who ate rice. For all x, if x is x, you could write here in English, x is a person who ate rice, right? X is a person and x ate rice, and that's going to become px and it's ix, or x ate rice is ix, according to the dictionary provided, right? Got sick, sx, right? So notice the important thing, right? We laid down the form first. We're just doing everyone who ate rice got sick. We determined it as a universal inclusive categorical. So we laid down the universal quantifier with the hook. It's positive, right? So no negation here. And then we put, right? If we did a partial translation properly, we'd say x is a person and x ate rice. And then we'd go ahead and symbolize that, putting them in the right place there. Px and ix goes there. Got sick, what am I saying of my subject class, people who ate rice? I'm predicating of them, they got sick. That goes there. Okay, so to finish it off, it was the negation of this I was asked to symbolize. Not everyone who ate rice got sick. That's it. Read it back. It's not the case that for all x, if x is a person who ate rice, then x got sick. That means the same as not everyone who ate rice got sick. All right, that was B. Let's do D. No one who ate ham salad ate chicken. No one who ate a ham salad ate chicken. Okay, we're going to do this two ways, right? The second of the two sections of Unit 13 talks a lot about equivalent symbolizations. Of course, there are many, many equivalent symbolizations. So there's many correct answers, many more incorrect answers, but many correct answers for each English sentence. We'll do this two ways though. No one who ate ham salad ate chicken. All right, so no one, it's universal exclusion, right? It's universal exclusion, that's E form, universal exclusion, E form, right? Exclusion, so it's either E or O, it's from the word nego, and E, G-O, universal exclusion. None of the ones in the subject class are included in the predicate class. So it's the first letter, E, not O, but E. This is its form. Hook, negation, right? That's the universal exclusion. For all x, if, and now the subject is, x is a person and x ate ham salad. The subject class is people who ate ham salad. Right? No one who ate ham salad ate chicken. Notice that is a verb, but this is the major verb distinguishing the subject and the predicate. Okay? No one who ate ham salad ate chicken. So this becomes x is a person and x ate ham salad is hx. Right? It goes there, right? As the antecedent of this conditional. this is 8 chicken, that's Cx. Okay? No one who ate ham salad ate chicken. Cx is x ate chicken. Read it back. For all x, if x is a person and x ate ham salad, then it's not the case that x ate chicken. For every f, for all x, if x is a person who ate ham salad, then x did not eat chicken. Right? That is the same as no one who ate ham salad ate chicken. Right? Okay, so that's one way to symbolize that. Of course, what is this? This is a E form. Remember the categorical quantifier negation equivalences from Unit 12? E forms are equivalent to the negation of I forms, right? And it might quite often be easier to parse sentences like this by no one, by translating the no one or symbolizing the no one as the negated existential. Okay, if you can go back and see this, so don't worry about crossing it out. Another symbolization of that is right. There's no one, right? When you're denying existence, remember this was the big, as I stressed in Unit 11, this was the big breakthrough for quantifiers. They allowed you to deny existence, right? The negation with the existential quantifier is how you symbolize there are no blah blahs, or there is nothing that blah blah blah, right? So there is no one who ate ham salad. No one who ate ham salad ate chicken. There is not an existent x such that x is a person and x ate ham salad, right? And x ate chicken, right? Sorry, what's chicken? Yeah, CX. Right? So without the negation, right? It's existential. The major operator here is a dot. Good, as we want it. Right? What does this say? So, right? And then we've got brackets around here to make that the subject. It's the predicate. But there does not exist an x such that all of these things are true. X is a person, and x ate ham salad, and x ate chicken, which is logically equivalent to a logical expression of no one who ate ham salad ate chicken, right? And those are equivalent. That and the one before, this is, right, what's that? That's the I form. So with the negation, that's the not I. The not I is equivalent to an E. The last one we put down was an E form. Okay? All right, and finally, let's do, this is 4b. No paintings by Joe are valuable unless they are framed in gold. Okay, this is a little bit similar to the really tricky ones that Klenk works out towards the end of her chapter 13 in the text. It's tricky mainly because it's an E form, because you've got the no here. None of them in the subject class or in the predicate class, but it's one that you kind of you need to rephrase it. So what we're going to do, like what she does, what Klenk does at the end of Unit 13, is put down the universal quantifier, it's universal exclusion at least, write down the subject and then rephrase the predicate. This rephrasing the predicate often involves adding a not, or a couple of nots, adding a couple of negations, right? So it's going to turn out like, no paintings by Joe are valuable unless they are framed in gold. Right, that's the other thing. It has unless in it, right? So we're going to rephrase that, but we're going to have to rephrase the predicate to get something equivalent. No paintings by Joe are valuable unless they're framed in gold. Okay, we can pick up the subject. It's R, right? So let's write the universal quantifier. For all x, right? And my subject, okay, of course my universal is going to go with a hook. At the very least, universals always go with a hook. Okay, what's my subject? Paintings by Joe. That's just px and jx. Px and jx. Okay, that much is easy. Now comes the tough bit. Now I have to rephrase my predicate such that I rephrase the propositional function that goes here in the consequent part, such that I get something logically equivalent. So I have to say, right, so I want this to match in meaning no paintings by Joe are valuable unless they're framed in gold. How do I say that? For all x, if x is a painting by Joe, then what? X is not valuable. X is not valuable if x is not framed in gold, right? Valuable if x is not framed in gold. See how I had to add those knots? Ah! Right. Framed in gold. Writing this terrible. Okay, what does this say? This says, for all x, you've got to say it several times to convince yourself of the logical equivalence. For all x, okay, original, no paintings by Joe are valuable unless they are framed in gold. That's equivalent to for all x. If x is a painting by Joe, then x is not valuable if x is not framed in gold. The unless has really become the if not. As I said, remember, unless from sentential logic, unless is logically equivalent to if not. Okay, so that sounds good. So now we just translate this bit, and it becomes what? Not valuable if x is not framed in gold. This if is the major operator of this complex propositional function. This is a propositional function. What's its major operator? That's the first question I should be asking about it. If it's not framed in gold, so that's not gx, right? If not gx, it's supposed to be a g. Not gx, then not vx. All right, right? If not gx, then, and x is not valuable, is the antecedent here. The rest stays the same for all x, px, and jx. For all x, if x is a painting by Joe, then if x is not framed in gold, then x is not valuable.